Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are certain apps on your Android phone, if you press and hold on them, it doesn't give you the option to uninstall those. It could be because those are core apps for the Android phone, or there could be some other culprit messing it up. The first thing that I would recommend doing is just first navigating to the app. If you press and hold on the app and it says uninstall, you can just tap on that and remove it. However, if that isn't an option, let's swipe up and open up your settings. Let's check within your settings the security and privacy. So scroll down, tap on security and privacy. And then again, you're going to scroll down until you get to more security settings and tap on that. Now within here, all you need to do is scroll down to device admin apps. These are essentially apps that will control your Android phone and prevent you from installing or deleting certain apps. So if this is turned on, but you didn't have it turned on or don't know that it's turned on, make sure to turn this off. This is usually for work-related phones or school-related phones, stuff like that. However, if this isn't your issue, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings, and you have two options. One option is to head into the Google Play Store. Within the Google Play Store, you can tap on your profile at the top right, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Once you're in here, you'll be able to see at the top is Manage. I can tap on that. And from here, I can see every app on my Android phone that I could delete. So just tap on that. And you can see a trash can icon at the very top to allow me to delete that app. If this doesn't work for you to uninstall it, let's instead swipe up and go into your settings. Within your settings, let's scroll down until we get to where it says apps and tap on that. Now, some apps, for instance, the ones that are built into your phone, you can see on here, if I scroll down, it doesn't give me the ability to uninstall this. I can tap on the three dots at the top right, and I can choose to uninstall updates. This won't necessarily fully remove it from my phone, but it is a good option. Before you do that, though, you can always hit the disable if you just want to shut down that app and not have it running in the background right now, but it is still on your phone. So you have some options. Again, you can choose to go to storage, you can clear the cache and clear the data. You can go back, you can force stop it, or choose to disable it if you want. Or if you really wanted to, you can tap on those three dots and choose to uninstall updates. If you go through all of these and it still doesn't work, the last thing that I would recommend trying is to swipe up and let's go into the Files app for Google Files. So you can see this is the Google Files app. I'm going to tap on those three lines at the top left and then tap on Clean. Now, this does a really good job of identifying any kind of junk files that could be preventing you from deleting or uninstalling an app. So on here, if it says, basically you can go through the process of searching for apps or selecting files. In this case, I'm going to search for apps and then I'm going to hit continue. And then you can see it says allow files app usage. So then just scroll down to the Files app. Where is that Files app? There we go. Files by Google. And then you can see it says delete unused apps. I can go and select these apps. And this does a really thorough job of both deleting the app, even though it won't normally let you uninstall it, but also deleting out all those random files that could be spread around your Android phone so that they're just not cluttering up everything. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.